Are you feeling overwhelmed with all those business ideas swirling around in your head? Trust me, I've been there. As a digital nomad working from coffee shops in Bangkok to beach clubs in Bali, I discovered a game changing way to turn that chaos into crystal clear plans using Canva. Having created over 100 mind maps for my own business ventures, I'm excited to share this powerful visual brainstorming technique that you can use anywhere in the world. What's up, fellow nomads? I'm Vince from Digital Nomad Institute, your go to channel for discovering those hidden gem tools that'll revolutionize your location independent lifestyle. Today, I'm thrilled to walk you through creating professional mind maps in Canva, a skill that's become absolutely essential for my business planning, whether I'm working from Bali or Barcelona. In the next few minutes, you'll master three simple steps to create stunning mind maps. Plus, I'll share my personally tested templates and pro tips that I've gathered while building my digital empire. Whether you're mapping out your next online course, planning your social media content, or organizing your startup idea, this technique will become your secret weapon for success. Getting started in Canva. First, log into your Canva account. In the search bar, type Mind Map. But wait, don't just click on the first template you see. I've tested dozens of templates, and these three are absolute gold for digital nomads. The Radial Mind Map, perfect for brainstorming business ideas. The Hierarchical Flow, ideal for project planning. The Creative Bubble Map, great for content planning. Creating your central topic. Let's start with your central topic. This is where your main focus goes. If you're like me, planning your next online course, you'll want to make this bold and clear. Click on the text tool and use Montserrat font at 32px. Trust me, it's the sweet spot for readability. Building your primary branches. Pro tip: hold the Shift key while drawing lines to keep them perfectly straight. I learned this the hard way after hours of frustrating adjustments in Chiang Mai's cafes, adding secondary branches. Now, let's break down each primary branch into smaller, actionable items. I'll show you how I organize my content calendar that helped me grow my channel to over 10,000 subscribers. Watch how I maintain visual hierarchy using different line thicknesses: 2px for primary branches and 1px for secondary ones. Enhancing your mind map. This is where your mind map comes alive. Let me share my favorite Canva color combinations that I've tested for maximum impact. Blue and orange for creative projects. Green and purple for business planning. Teal and coral for content strategies. The hidden link feature. Here's my special trick that most people don't know about: adding clickable links to your mind map. Perfect for when you're collaborating with team members across different time zones. Just right-click any element, select Add Link, and boom, you've got an interactive mind map. There you have it, nomads. You're now equipped with the knowledge to create professional mind maps that'll transform your ideas into actionable plans. If you found this helpful, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to join our tribe of over 10,000 location independent entrepreneurs. We're discovering new tools every week that mainstream channels don't talk about. Drop a comment below with your favorite mind mapping tip or what you'll be mapping first. And yes, I personally read and respond to every single comment, whether I'm in Bali or Barcelona. Safe travels and happy mapping, nomads. See you in the next video.